Ever since the first time I opened my eyes, I've awakened to the same thing. Other automaton friends roughly built like me. The first time I opened my mouth to speak, a steam escaped to the air. Black oil dripped from my lips and onto the ground. When daylight struck a chord with my photoreceptors, night greeted me with a sea of stars. Our eyes all flashed, blues and greens through the night. It's just our automatonic, electronic harmonics. People are soaring, always exploring, higher than they've ever been before. But we are still down here, feet on the ground, kneel. Rise us up with the rest. Our thoughts are quixotic, stark and robotic, mechanical in nature all the time. And pulses are firing in our head wiring, guiding all our actions and beings. It's just our automatonic, electronic harmonics. I am not an unimaginable thing. My thoughts are tangible, all their full springs. I don't have the heart to send you untruthful words. My skin is cold to the touch, but made from the earth. They say, oh, it's so down, but baby, its sound makes your worry cease to pound. And maybe it's alright, cause maybe it fights for some time just to be held tight. And maybe it's not wrong, cause it sings a lovely song, one that drifts on for so long. And maybe let's not lie, its eyes are alive and pointed up, shining light to the sky. It's just our automatonic, electronic harmonics, epic and so cool, epic and so
So pabalik na po kami supposedly sa glamping site, but we stopped for a while to take a photo of this awesome looking tree. Ganda, no? And then Joey, sabi niya parang may narinig daw siyang tubig, so we're gonna check it out. Yeah, mayroong tubig nga, may tubig, may naririnig kaming stream. I wonder what's in here. Oh, may daan pala dito. It's a river. Oh, nice.
Epic and so cool. Here we go.
You wanna see the cows?
It's like a dream a silly fantasy. I want to live in waiting just for you. I'd trade my soul on my waiting gold to have a smile, yeah, that was my goal. Yet another night, I'm alone with no home. I'm here without you, will search till you're found. I'll be down in the star scrap. It's all just star scrap. I've never seen it, never had a taste of it. It's such a shame waiting just for love. We grasped to hold it, to try and control it. When we see a smile that's not our own. Yet another night, I'm alone with no home. I'm here without you, I'll search till you're found. I'll be down in the star scrap. It's all just star scrap. It's all just star. It's like a dream, some silly fantasy.
Ano pong pangalan nito?
Gayong-gayong lake.
Gayong-gayong lake.
Malugot Lake.
Ano pa?
Malugot Lake.
Malugot-lugot lake.
Oo.
Malalim po yan, kuya.
Hindi naman. Noon malalim ito. Nung kanang tubig, natabunan ng buhangin.
Ganun po ba?
Nakatatakot noon dito, birding tubig
Talaga
noon.
po?
Oo. Ngayon wala, mababaw na.
Mababaw na po. Di na po lulubog ang tao dyan.
Doon ang malalim.
Pero dito po, sakto
Dito,
lang.
Ganon lang dito, pag ganon. Kasi nagkuha ng bako dito noon. Kinuhang buhangin dito sa loob.
There was a time I was in love, and all the angels and the doves couldn't make her say I love you. Didn't have to look my way. Your eyes still haunt me to this day. What you did, yes you did. You didn't have to say my name. Ignite my circuits and start a flame. But you did. Oh, tell you how I find myself without you, that I'll never know. I let myself go. Hello, goodbye, I'm rather crazy, and I never thought I was crazy, but what do I know? I let myself go. Hello, goodbye, it was nice to know you, how I find myself. Hello, goodbye, I'm rather crazy, and I never thought I was. Hello, goodbye, it was nice to know you, how I find myself. Hello, goodbye, I'm rather crazy, and I never thought I was crazy.